Hey guys, Cool Larkin here. This video is going to be about how to get free ringtones for your cell phone. No money, no spam, nothing. Just what you want, and it works with Verizon too. Okay, either type in Google or go to www.mobile17.com. mobile17.com. It will bring you here. I have all my stuff here already. That's my phone. Now first you have to make an account, which I've already done. So I guess I'll just make another one so you guys sign up now. You should do that. Okay, now click on Mega Super Real Ringtones. Free or fast if you do want to pay. Now personally I'll receive it through picture message. Now this will cost you money if you don't have unlimited text messages for pictures. Type in your cell phone number. Sorry about the blurriness. Continue. Select a music profile from your computer. A music file for your ringtone. So click on that. You have to have music on your computer already that you want to have as your ringtone. Just go with what's that new T.I. song that everyone likes? Here it is. So I'll click on that. Put in the artist. Put in the title. Now here's an important bit. At what point in the song would you like the tone to begin? Now I usually personally like to do the chorus of the song, the main part. So you have to listen to the song and see exactly which part you want it to start at and how long you want the ringtone to be. Then you press continue. It's loading. Now here. This is the annoying part, but that isn't that much of a problem. 147 minutes until I have my ringtone. 984 people need to get their ringtone delivered before me. It's like, what time is it? It's 4:39. So I guess lots of people are downloading ringtones now. They say that if you download it, I don't know, 2 in the morning, then you probably won't have to wait for that time for very long. So I'll come back to you guys when I get it. So it's sending to it. I'm gonna cancel because I just remembered I already have that ringtone on my phone. Where is my phone? Okay. Here's my phone. I'll show you it. It comes in a picture message, so the only thing you have to pay for is the text, nothing else. And I haven't gotten a single call, text, or anything except for the things that do deliver. That's it, alright. Okay, I have some other ones here too. So I've got quite a lot off on this website, of course. Now the thing is, you may have heard of what's that other website, Ringtones or something like that. That's free too, but the problem is that it doesn't work with most Verizon phones. This works with Verizon for free. You don't have to pay anything, trust me. So that's how to get free ringtones for your phone. Make an account, and all of the steps, if you missed any, all the steps will be in the information bar on your right of the screen that you're watching. See ya.